The paradox of pseudofiction. If pseudoscience is the Antichrist, then our Christ resides in pseudofiction. I've been thinking about this lately, how we, as humans, live inside stories we've made about ourselves. They're not quite lies, not quite truths, more like adaptive myths, co-authored between our inner world and the others in orbit. Our psyche provides the cast, the id, the ego, the anima, the inner child, the critic, the healer. The world provides the rest. Parents, partners, friends, algorithms, archetypes. Together, we improvise. Every moment is a line in the script, every interaction a rehearsal. Neurophysiologically, we're perfect processors of data, but poor narrators of meaning. The brain collects, the mind interprets, and the interpretation is always fiction. Fiction that protects, sustains, and translates chaos into something we can survive. We protect our stories fiercely because they are our survival. They help us navigate the terrain between trauma and transformation. But when a story stops fitting, when reality stretches or fractures, it hurts to rewrite it. The edits demand new language, new symbols, new faith. Rewriting feels like betrayal. It feels like death. I'm there now. My old pseudofiction has either collapsed or is undergoing radical revision. I'm trying to understand how my processor views the world differently, what it filters, what it amplifies, and what it confuses for truth. The beliefs that inform my illusion of agency under the old narrative are now in question. I'm reassembling something livable from the wreckage. I'm learning to code switch. Understanding the vernacular is a challenge. The zeitgeist nomenclature. To mask and unmask. To adapt without being exposed. What does this mean? Paradox, perhaps. The paradox is this. Pseudoscience offends us because it mistakes imagination for evidence. Pseudofiction saves us because it turns evidence into imagination. One corrupts truth, the other redeems it. Maybe that's what salvation looks like. Rewriting the fiction just enough to survive the next chapter without forgetting it's still a story. Welcome to the adventures of Cosmo Cowboy.